Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your estate planning documents in Betterment, detailed guide step by step clearly. To update your estate planning documents in Betterment, begin by logging into your Betterment account. Once logged in, navigate to the Account section on the dashboard. In the Accounts section, locate and select Estate Planning from the available options. You will see a summary of your current estate planning documents. Identify the specific document you wish to update. Click on the Edit button next to that document. Review the information in the document. Make the necessary changes to reflect your current wishes. Once you have made your edits, click on Save. After saving, you may be prompted to verify your identity for security purposes. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. Once verified, your changes will be stored securely in your account. To ensure accuracy, take a moment to review the updated document again. If everything looks correct, you can move on or log out of your account. It's a good practice to revisit your estate planning documents regularly. Consider setting a reminder to review your documents at least once a year. This proactive approach helps ensure your estate plan remains aligned with your current circumstances. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.